Good morning, children. We have done the rhyme Miss Polly had a dolly in a previous online class. So I hope you all have understood about rhyming words. Now, children, open your Oxford English book, page number 75, and in this exercise we are going to circle rhyming words.
Okay, children, so as you all know, rhyming words have the same ending sound and the same letters also. Okay, rhyming words में sound भी same होता है in the end, and many a times the words are also same. Now read question number A. Circle two things in each row that rhyme with the first one in the box. So as you all can see, we have one box. In this box we have one picture, and in the next box we have three pictures. So you have to identify the first picture, read it aloud and see what is the ending sound. And same ending sound, two pictures are also given here. So you have to find them and circle it. So let's begin with the first. First picture is of swing. So in the swing, what is the ending sound? Yes, it's ing, I-N-G, ing. Now let's read these three words and find out which have ing sound in the end. King, ring, slide. Yes, so king, in the king we can hear the sound ing. So we will circle this. Same goes with the ring. So in the ring again we have the ing sound. So I hope this is clear. In the slide we cannot hear the ing. So that is why we are not circling this picture. Same way, move on to the next. We can see rain. What we can see in this picture? Rain. In the rain, which is the ending sound? Ain. A-I-N. Ain. Now let's find out ain. In which words we can hear the sound of ain? Sun, chain, train. Okay, so in the word chain, last we can hear the sound of ain. Same goes with the word train. In the train we can hear the sound of ain. So tra or ain, it's going to become train. I hope you have understood these two. Now in the similar way you are going to do the remaining questions. Now move on to the next page, page number 76. First we are going to read the question. Underline the rhyming words in each sentence. Match the sentence to the picture. So first you have to read the sentence. After reading you have to find out the rhyming words. After underlining the rhyming words we have to match it with the correct picture. So number one is the clown has a crown. So as you all can see, here in the word clown, oun sound is coming, and same in the crown again oun sound is coming in the end. And see, the letters are also similar, O-W-N, O-W-N. So they are having the same sound. So crown and clown, they both are rhyming words. So you have to underline and then you can match it. So where can you see the picture of a clown? Yes, this is the picture of a clown. And what this clown is having? Crown. So we are going to match it with the correct picture. Same way, number two, the mouse is in the house. So see, mouse, again house sound is coming, and in the word house again house sound is coming, and even the letters are also same, O-U-S-E, O-U-S-E. So they have the same sound and the same ending letters. So these two are the rhyming words. Now where can you see mouse and house in the picture? Yes, it is here. So you are going to match it with the correct picture. Same way you will be doing number 3, 4, 5 and 6. And after completing these two pages, children, please send the pics to your class teachers. I hope you all have understood. Thank you so much.